everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these googly eyes. They are sold on Amazon and this one retails for $10.19 if I'm not mistaken, and it is 1,680 pieces googly wiggly eyes self-adhesive. So I love using stuff like this at church. We have arts and crafts at our church, and so the kids like to do art projects once we're done with the Bible lesson, and I thought that these would be super good for those. They are self-adhesive, which is nice because most of the ones that you get out the store are not. So you just open them up. They do have a few different types, so you just want to make sure that you don't mix them all up. They do have like super small ones, which are these ones right here, a little bigger, and it just gets bigger and bigger. So these are just the natural whites. So it goes all the way to this size, which is really big. But it starts out, I can't even pick it up, they're so small. They start out itty bitty, like I can't even pick it up with my nails. You can see it starts out super itty bitty, but with kids and their little fingers, won't have any problem with those. They also have green, orange. I love these ones. They have like green, blue, purple, white, and they have like eyeshadow and eyelashes. I thought that was super cute. And then they have different sizes in those. So it goes from the bigger sizes like this, but then they do have these smaller, like it gets smaller and smaller to where they're the itty bitty ones like this. But these ones don't have the lashes. The littlest ones, they're just colored eyes, but the ones above that do. Hold on. I can't pick them up because my nails. But it looks like they have white, pink, orange, green, and blue. And it maybe purple. No, I don't see purple. They do have purple, red, blue, green, pink, yellow, orange, and then like a lime green on these. So super nice. Let me see the self-adhesive part. Now I do have fake nails on, so this is going to be a lot harder for me than if you do not have nails on. I chose a great day to put on nails. This one looks like it may already be trying to come off. Yes, so this one, as you can see, the back comes off and then they'll stick to, I'm just going to stick it on to the back of this brush. You can see they're self-adhesive, which this is nice because the ones that I had we were using prior at the church, I think we got them from like the dollar store. They are not self-adhesive, so you had to sit there and glue them on and then they just fall off. So I thought that's a really good idea. And now this brush has an eyeball on it, and it's really, look how good this is. I mean, the adhesive on this is really good. I mean, I'm sure I could get it off if I really pulled, but that's really good. But yeah, that pretty much completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.